Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious whipped cream coffee. First, brew your favorite coffee. You can use any method you prefer, like a drip machine, French press, or pour over. Make sure your coffee is hot, as this will complement the cool whipped cream perfectly. Pour the freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug, leaving some space at the top for the cream. Next, let's prepare the star of the show, the whipped cream. For the best results, use very cold, heavy cream. You can add a touch of sweetness with powdered sugar, vanilla extract, or a flavored syrup. Whip the cream using a hand mixer or a whisk until it reaches a light, airy consistency with soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Now it's time to bring it all together. Carefully spoon a generous dollop of your freshly whipped cream onto the hot coffee. The cream should float beautifully on top, creating a lovely contrast. You can use as much or as little as you like, depending on your preference for richness. This step truly transforms your ordinary coffee into a special treat. To elevate your whipped cream coffee even further, add some finishing touches. A sprinkle of cinnamon, a dusting of cocoa powder, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup can make it extra special. Serve your delightful creation immediately and savor every sip. This simple addition turns your daily coffee ritual into a luxurious experience you can enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.